Hi everybody, it's 7:12 and just turned 50 seconds on June 28th. This is the drawing for the Raw Secret Wars number 8 First Black Costume. Over here on the left hand side are the 8 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. Big number 16. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 16th roll. We'll get the book and I will ship it tomorrow, the 29th. Good luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and here's the final one. Take your sweet time. Spot 4, Josh Santoyo. Congratulations. Time is 7:13 and 51 seconds.